Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. We're going to learn a little bit of halacha today. We're going to learn about Sefirat HaOmer. So Sefirat HaOmer means the counting of the Omer. And we're going to learn about why are we counting. So we know we just came from the Yom Tif of Pesach. We just had the holiday of Pesach, and we celebrated the Jewish people being free from Egypt. And the next big holiday is Shavuos, when we celebrate the giving of the Torah. And every day between Pesach and Shavuos, we count another day. In fact, today is day number 14. And that's what the counting is. Every day we count how many days has it been since we started the count. And like I said, today is the 14th day, and we're getting closer to receiving the Torah on Shavuos. Now let's go a little bit back in time here. When the Jewish people left Egypt, and here you see pyramids for Egypt, the Jewish people knew they were going to Har Sinai to get the Torah. They were very, very excited, and they weren't exactly ready yet to get the Torah. It took them some time, but they knew that they were going to get the Torah. They knew that in 49 days they would be receiving the Torah at Har Sinai, and they were so excited. You ever wait for your birthday? You count up till, it's my birthday's in a month, my birthday's in 3 weeks, and 2 weeks, and 1 week, and one day, and you're so excited. Or, someone special is coming to visit in a week or a day, or, that school is starting again soon, halavai, and you're really excited. And the Jewish people were also really excited. They said, "Whoa, how many days are left? How close are we?" And every day they were really excited. They said, "Okay, we're one day closer. Today's 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and we know that soon we're going to get to Har Sinai and receive the Torah." They counted 49 days until finally, here they are at Har Sinai receiving the Torah from Hashem. It took them 49 days. And every day they made some improvements. They made themselves a little bit better. They became closer to Hashem. They were nicer to their friends. They became better people and better Jews. And they were ready finally at the end of 49 days to receive the Torah. And it was a big, big deal, of course, to get the Torah. We'll learn about that on Shavuot as we get closer to Shavuos. So nowadays, even though we're not going to Har Sinai getting the Torah, and even though we don't bring the carbon omer like the Jewish people did in the Beis Hamikdash, we still remember this special thing, and we count every day. So every day there's a mitzvah. And today is 14 days, which are 2 weeks to the omer. Now, when we count the omer, we count the days and the weeks, which let me explain. So day 1 is just 1 day. Day 2 is just 2 days. Day 3 is just 3 days. And day, etc. But when you get to day 7, look at this chart, everyone. Day 7, it's 7 days. And how many weeks? 1 week. Let's say you get to day 8. So how many days is it? It's 8 days. But how many weeks long is 8 days? Well, it's 1 week and 1 day. So on day 8, I would say today is 8 days, which are 1 week and 1 day to the Omer. On day 10, for example, I would say today's 10 days, which is 1 week and 3 days to the Omer, because 10 is 7 plus 3. 7 days is 1 week, and then another 3 remaining. So I'm kind of getting into fractions here, but that's part of counting the Omer. So today is 14 days, and it is 2 weeks to the Omer. Tomorrow, we'll say today's 15 days, which are 2 weeks and 1 day. Every day we count the Omer. If you have your own siddur at home, similar to what we use in school, it's all the way back in the siddur. It's one of the last few pages. I believe it starts on page 251, and it takes a few pages because there are 49 days that we count. So you could see that in your siddur. And that is it for Sefirat Omer for today. But every day count the Omer, and tomorrow when we daven, we will, now that we've had this class, we will talk about it. We'll count the Omer, and that is that for the slideshow and learning about Sefirat Omer. Now, something really, really cool that I want to show you that we haven't done yet. I'm going to show you a Google form here. I'm going to share the link on the Google slide, and your parents can help you find it, or you can find it. And here's what you have to do. This is really cool. I do this with my older kids, but you guys are totally rocked the Google Meet yesterday, and I think you're ready for the next step up. So you're going to go to this form, and here's the first thing you do. You write your name. So I'm going to write my name, and then on your form, you write your name. So what's my name? Yeah, Rabbi. Oops. Never mind. Never mind. In this form, you're going to write your name, and then you'll go to the next question. How many days do we count the HaOmer for? Do we count for 23 days? Do we count for 52 days? Or do we count for 49 days? If you're not sure, you could go a little bit back in this video to find the answer. And when you think you got the answer, you click that button. Oops, not on mine, but you click whichever one you think it is. The next question, what is the next upcoming Jewish holiday? Is it Memorial Day? Is it Shavuos? Or is it Hanukkah? And you click the correct, whatever you think is the correct answer. The third question, what did the Jewish people get at the end of the counting? Did they get ice cream? Did they get the Torah? Did they get an extra dojo point? Now, when you're done, there will be a button on the bottom that says submit. You click the button submit, and then you're done. Where does this document go? It goes to me. I will get it in my Google Drive, and I'll be able to check your answers. If you have any questions,